In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Paperform to a WordPress post using the Paperform block. To get started, make sure you have the embedded responsive link element data string from your Paperform ready to use. This is the piece of information you'll need in order to connect the form properly inside WordPress. Before moving on, it's a good idea to copy that data string so you can quickly paste it in when needed and avoid typing errors. Next, open your WordPress content management dashboard and go to the post page editor layout for the post where you want the form to appear. Once you're inside the editor, take a moment to confirm that you're editing the correct post and that you're in the Gutenberg editor interface. This is important because the Paperform block is added through the block-based editing system. Now, inside the editor, add a Paperform block from the Gutenberg block list selector menu. You can do this by clicking the block inserter and searching for Paperform, then selecting it from the results. Once the block appears in your post layout, you'll have a dedicated space where your Paperform settings can be entered. If you don't see it right away, double check the search term and make sure the block has been added to the part of the post where you want the form to display. After that, input your specific unique slug string code identifier into the Paperform block field. This slug acts as the connection between your WordPress post and the exact form you want to embed. Be careful to paste only the correct slug or identifier required by the block. Keeping this accurate helps ensure the form loads correctly on the front end of your site. Once the slug has been entered, click Update to save the changes to your post. This final step applies the Paperform block and publishes the updated content so the embedded form can appear as intended. After updating, it's always a smart idea to preview the post or view it live on your website to confirm that the form is displaying properly and responsively. That's it. By copying your Paperform embedded responsive link data, opening the correct WordPress post editor, adding the Paperform block, entering the unique slug, and updating the post, you can quickly place a Paperform directly into your WordPress content in a clean and reliable way.